My video guide is about getting rid of the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Operatecompletelyoriginaltheproduct.vip. This is actually a fake Chrome update alert that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tells that you need to implement this so-called update, but in reality these fake update alerts lead to the status of your browser being horribly hijacked and infected. So please be extremely careful. Don't interact with these pop-ups. They are fake Chrome update alerts and you should not trust them. If you mistakenly install these so-called updates, you're actually installing unwanted browser extensions that may change a lot of crucial browser settings. For instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and other settings too. Therefore, in case any third-party extensions were mistakenly added, this is what you should do. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.